I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel Nurture Nature, and this is where we do exactly that. We nurture nature, we help it along its way, and my first job today is to feed our birds. Please tell me that I'm not the only one this happens to. So we've got this bird feeder and all the food has got all mouldy. I'm not sure how it's got wet, but it's got wet and it's got all horrible. So I need to give that a good clean out. So I need to top up the fat balls. They love these. There's only a tiny bit of one left. So I'll put these back for the birds. I've just seen that I've run out of bird seed, so the next time I'm at a garden centre I'll grab some more seed for the birds, but I have got some bread that I'm going to put on the bird feeder now as well. I've just got some ends of bread that I've got a little bit hard and crusty now, so the birds will love that. Also, if you're cooking bacon and you've got a bit of fat from that, put that out, they'll take that. Any leftover bits of food, nothing cooked, but they'll appreciate a little bit of extra food and a little bit of extra warmth during these cold days. It's quite cold today. I think it's like 1 degree. So that's a little bit more for them. I'll put some more bird seed on that when I've got some. So I've given the bird feeder a bit of a clean. There's still a little bit of mouldy food at the bottom, so I'm just going to sort of soak that and see if that helps to get it out, and then I'll top it up. So another area that I need to clear up is all around our compost heap. I'm just going to give it a quick sweep and pick up all the leaves. So that's better. I've just had a little clear up, swept up the leaves, just weeded a little bit. That bit's good. Now onto our booze bed. Now this bed we call our booze bed. We have some rhubarb growing and some black currants growing. And we call it our booze bed because we don't actually eat our rhubarb or black currants. We use them to flavour gin. Now you'll also see that there's a lot of foxgloves in here. We planted some last year and they've done really, really well, so we've just sort of left them. So we've got a few foxgloves coming up through our rhubarb and our black currants as well. Now the job I need to do now is to force the rhubarb. Now is the right time to be doing this. I didn't do it last year. You're not supposed to do it 2 years in a row, so it's perfect to force the rhubarb this year. So I'm going to find the crowns. I'm just going to do a little bit of weeding around it. Just going to clear up all the dead leaves so that it's nice and clear. So we have one crown there. It actually looks like it's starting to shoot already. And then we've got one here. Look, there's a little worm there. We've got one here. It doesn't look as good. I hope it's not rotten. We'll give it a go. Hopefully something will come of it this year. So I've got 2 crowns there. So I've cleared around this crown, and the next job is to put some straw on it. We're just going to put some around it. And this one. I am running out of straw. I'm going to need to get some more. Now, I don't have any of the proper forcing terracotta pots that you can buy, but I have got 2 normal terracotta pots. So I'm just going to put them over the top. I might just put a crock over that just so there's no water can get in, because I've got a hole. These are just terracotta pots, so I'm just going to put something over to cover those holes, and that's it. There are 2 main advantages to forcing rhubarb. 1, you get the stems a few weeks earlier, and 2, they're supposed to be sweeter, so time will tell. So I'm sorry that today is a bit of a short one, but it's a little bit cold and George wants to go in and it's time for his nap. So we fed the birds, we forced the rhubarb, and we've done a little bit more clearing up. So join me again on Sunday, where I'll actually be at a different location. Please subscribe to support me and hit the bell so that you get notifications of when I upload my next videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.